No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hi, it's Karen and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end of it you will decide to join the Gem Squad family by hitting that subscribe button and your notification bell. So I have some FabFitFun spoilers. Now they teased us yesterday on Instagram. They posted a video and the video said that if we get 1,000 likes we will post our first spoiler tomorrow. Well, guess what? It's like 2 in the afternoon. No spoiler yet. But there are surveys out there. Now, this could be a little risky. I see these spoilers. If you were to get an email, right, it says this could possibly be in your FabFitFun box, would you not click on it, you know? So, like, I see them, and I'm like, there could be several surveys out there that have different things. You just never really know what you're going to get. But some surveys will repeat certain products as they change other ones, and then you can kind of get an idea. I mean, when we get charged for like the spring box that comes out, I kind of want to have an idea of what's in it. Is it guaranteed? No, not until they officially put their spoilers out. But I like to still look ahead of time. So if that's something that you're interested in, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, there's probably going to be some repeats in here. For those of you that have been getting FabFitFun for years, let us know down in the comment section what's a repeat and what's not. That would be so helpful to me and everybody else down there. All right, so the first thing that is popping up, we're going to do the first 3 choices today, and then I will go ahead and put up another video with the next 3, so this way the videos are not too long for you guys. We have got the Handheld Massage Gun, which kind of looks neat. Now I've seen these around and they are quite expensive, but I have yet to use one, so that is the first choice. Or you could choose the Taylor Tote, which looks cute, but we're getting a lot of tote bags. I mean, this for springtime, if you do switch your bag on and off for seasons, this is something that you may want. Or the Shearling slippers, which are cute. I'm sure they're comfy. They definitely look like that. Or we have, oh, and I love this. This would match my new kitchen. The Marble Lazy Susan. It's like the turntable tray where you could just put snacks on it. So I'm liking that. Then we've got Tatcha, and who wouldn't want Tatcha, you know? Tatcha, the Indigo Cream Soothing Skin Protectant. So I'm sure it's a moisturizer. It doesn't say anything about an SPF. Then we see, which looks interesting to me, the Nurse Jamie Beauty Bare Age Defy Pillow. This looks very different. It doesn't tell me a size. I'm not really sure about that. So if you've seen this before, let us know. And then it says, and it could also be a $10 add-on, the NuFace Mini Toning Facial Device and Primer. So you would put on that moisturizing primer and then you would use this device, and it's supposed to help tighten. Okay, let's get into the second choice. Acupressure Mat and Pillow Set. I'm not quite sure what you would use this for. I'm guessing for overall health, well-being, your back, your head. Okay, and this looks kind of cool. Wireless Bluetooth karaoke microphone with LED lights. I would totally use this. Totally. Kids would probably be like, Mom, stop singing. Okay, or we have the Staycation Cardigan. This is cute. I guess springy. I'm not sure. Then we have, which would be neat, solar metal outdoor lantern lights, which look kind of neat. I think it would be nice to have lights, you know, for when like the dog goes out in the evening or whatever. That'd be kind of cool. Okay, moving on. The foldable bamboo laptop / serving stand. I think that's neat. I've always wanted to get one. I never have. Then we have, and I could not find an exact picture, so it's going to be similar. Foldable storage organizer bags. It shows 4 in here, but I don't know. We don't know exactly. And it shows a color of like a light peach. Or Or we have Dr. Jart Cicapair Tiger Grass Cream. That is a very interesting name for a cream. All right, so choice number 3, the Tech Organizer. Again, I could not find a specific picture of this, but it looks like you got your straps for your like Apple Watches you could put in there, and your charging station and a bunch of other little things, accessories. Or the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops, and I've heard they're changing their formula, so I think that that's kind of cool. Or we have a padded laptop sleeve, or a checkers and chess and checkers board game. What do you think of that? Or Milky Tort sunglasses, which totally remind me of the sunglasses I got in the add-on for the winter box. They look like the same. Or we have something called Super Goop Daily Dose Vitamin C plus SPF 40 Sunscreen Serum. Okay, so that is the first 3 choices from this survey. Let me know if you've seen it out there. Now, mind you, do not get mad at me. These are not a guarantee. This is if you are curious, you're interested, you're nosy, then watch, definitely, for sure. And as always, you can let me know your constructive criticism, your feedback down in the comments below. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Make sure that you do subscribe, because I will post updates. As soon as these things come about, I will post them for you, so you'll have the most updated knowledge when it's out and when it's available. Alright guys, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I love you all so very much. If you are new, definitely say hello to me down in the comments. I would love to get to know you. I'll see you real soon in another video.